Hello and welcome to V.Z Pro 3 channel. Are you getting a message that says your WhatsApp has expired on your iPhone? Don't worry, this is a common issue and it can be fixed easily with just a few simple steps. In this guide, we'll walk you through exactly how to solve the problem so you can get back to chatting on WhatsApp without losing any important data. First, it's important to understand why this message appears. Usually, you'll see a notice saying this version of WhatsApp has expired when your app hasn't been updated for a while. It can also happen if the date and time settings on your iPhone are incorrect. Step 1. Check your iPhone's date and time settings. Go to Settings, tap on General, then tap Date and Time, and make sure Set Automatically is turned on. Or, you can turn off Set Automatically and set the date manually. WhatsApp needs the correct time and date to function properly, and incorrect settings can cause it to think your app version is outdated. After you set your date and time, you can check your WhatsApp, but if this method's still not working, you can try method 2. Open Settings. First, make sure you have logged in to your iCloud account. Then scroll down and tap General, then click iPhone Storage. After that, look for the WhatsApp application. If you find it, tap on it. Then click Offload App. Then tap Offload App again. After successfully removed then open the App Store. Then search for the WhatsApp app and click Get, or click the cloud logo. If it's finished downloading, click Open. And now, your WhatsApp has been successfully opened without losing data and old chat history. And of course, it can be used again. So, I think that's enough for this tutorial. If you have any questions, please let me know in the comment sections below. And if this video helped you out, don't forget to give thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more tutorial video. Thanks for watching and see you on the next video.